Jai Shri Radhe Krishna friends. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna everyone. Jai Shri Sitaram Ma'am. Jai Shri Jagannath. Friends, so moving to our next topic of creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship, and that is creativity, opportunity, identification. So, starting that the 11 opportunity service sources, you can identify improvement opportunities from many different sources. Most of them are defined by the 11 opportunity sources in the following list. Like asking that, can you define one more, making it an even dozen? Customers, friends, surroundings, experiences, observations, work, play, children, research, family, mistakes, etc. The 12 wow questions. How do you know if something is an opportunity source? If you answer yes to any one of the following 11 plus wow questions, it is an opportunity candidate for innovation. Wow, can you make it go faster? Wow, can you build it faster? Wow, can you make it do what I want? Wow, can you reduce the cost? Wow, can you fix it so it wouldn't break? Wow, can you make it do more? Wow, can you make it with favor parts? Wow, can you make more customer friendly? Wow, can you make it work better? Wow, can you do it easier? Wow, can you reduce its weights? Wow, can you make it smaller? Wow, 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 like many more. The preceding list gives 12 good examples of what you might thinking when you recognize a potential opportunity. Can you think of three more examples making it an even 15? So, moving on to another topic, that is 8 T's for prioritization. So moving on the 8 T's for prioritization, like our next assignment is to prioritize the like anyone who is going in creativity, innovation, opportunity. Oh, sorry, creativity, innovation, entrepreneurship. Your next assignment is to prioritize the opportunities for each of the opportunities. Rate it for each of the 8 statements using a scale of 1 to 10. Note a rating of 1 is given if the statement is totally false and a rating of 10 indicates the statement is absolutely true. First, taking advantage of this opportunity will have a major positive impact upon the customer and consumer. Second, taking advantage of this opportunity will have a significant impact upon reducing output production score costs. Third, taking advantage of this opportunity will have a significant impact upon reducing cycle time and stock. Next is, that is fourth is, taking advantage of this opportunity will provide a competitive advantage. Fifth, taking advantage of this opportunity is in line with organization's culture. Taking advantage of this opportunity will improve morale. Taking advantage of this opportunity will require a few resources. Taking advantage of this opportunity will create more jobs for our employees. Some of the rating for each of the 8 is minimum rating of 0, maximum rating of 80. Let the total sums value be an indicator but not as a final selection process. This number needs to be considered along with experienced management judgment. Next topic is the ABCs of innovation. Innovation like starting, backs, like just starting. Innovation equal to creativity plus commercialization. Basic scheme of the innovation process. Stimulus for innovation, identification of the problem. Innovation process. Like finding ideas, collection of ideas, generation of ideas, systematic collection and recording of ideas. Like moving on is screening, then evaluation, then decision, then implementation, then market introduction. Okay. Now, on the topic innovation, what is it? Innovation is the introduction of new ideas, goods, services, and practices which are intended to be useful. The number of unsuccessful innovation can be found throughout history. The main driver for innovation is often the courage and energy to better the world. An essential element for innovation is its application in a commercially successful way. Innovation has punctuated and changed human history. Consider the development of electricity, steam engines, motor vehicles, and all. Bill Ford on innovation. Bill Ford is a very, you could say, like famous personality. So, taking billboards. So talking about the billboards, if we want to succeed as a company and as an industry, we must drive innovation into everything we do, into technology, into safety, into design, and into real world solution for environmental issues like the impact of energy uses on our world. Chairman Bill Ford's speech, National Press Club, Washington DC, November 2022 to November 2005. Innovation is going to be the compass by which this company sets its direction. Bill Ford remarks on innovation, Dearborn, Michigan, September 21, 2005. Types of innovation. innovation. In business and economics, innovation is often divided into five types. First, product innovation. Second, process innovation. Third, marketing innovation. Fourth, organizational innovation. Fifth, business model innovation, product innovation, which involves the introduction of a new good or service that is substantially improved. This might include improvements in functional characteristics, technical abilities, ease of use, or any other dimension. This is called product innovation. Repeating again, which involves the introduction of a new good or service that is substantially improved. This might include improvements in functional characteristics, technical abilities, ease of use, or any other dimension. And are basically about improvements in functional characteristics. Second is process innovation. Process innovation involves the implementation of a new or significantly improved production or delivery method. Implementation of a new or significantly improved production delivery method. Third is marketing innovation. Marketing innovation is the development of new marketing methods with improvement in product design or packaging, product promotion or pricing. Organizational innovation, also referred to as social innovation, involves the creation of new organizations, business practices, ways of running organization, or new organizational behavior. Fifth is business model innovation. Involves changing the way business is done in terms of capturing value. Example, Compaq versus Dell. Innovative thinking, simple secrets by Paddy Selvin, MA. So we discussed five types of innovation: product innovation, process innovation, process innovation, marketing innovation, organizational innovation, and business model innovation. These are five types of innovation. A suggested innovation framework is how to be like. Find what you love. First of all, find what you love to do. Become an expert in the field you love. Become passionate about your field. Seek opportunity. Open your mind. Mental flaws. Discover your creative rhythm. Health makes ways. Third is identify problems and opportunities. Challenge all assumptions. Seek opportunities to innovate. Set goals and objectives. Define clearly your goals and objectives. Seek novelty in design. Seek novelty in design. Diversify. Stop looking for the right answer. Look for many right answers. Just do it. Do not afraid to fail. Take risks. Move your idea forward. That is called a suggestion. That is a suggested innovation at work. Case study 3M. How do they manage innovation? Very important. 3M. How do they manage innovation? The company presents a consistent picture in interviews and in publication. Innovation success is a consequence of creating the culture in which it can take place. It becomes the way we do things around here in a very real sense. This philosophy is borne out in many anecdotes and case history. The key to their success has been to create the conditions in which innovation can arise from any of a number of directions, including lucky accident, and there is deliberate attempt to avoid putting too much structure in places. This would constrain innovation. The 3M way to innovation: balancing people and profit. New York, Kodansha International. 3M innovation strategy and leadership. This is the like you could show a last topic for our this actual 3 innovation strategy and leadership, very important. Setting stretch targets such as X% of the sales from products introduced during the past wise. X% of sales introduced during the past wise provides a clear and consistent message and a focus for the whole organization. Allocating resources as slack piece. Space and time in which staff can explore and play with ideas, build on chance events or combinations, etc. That is called allocating resources as slack. That is encouragement of bootlegging employees working on innovation projects in their own time and often accessing resources in a non-formal way. The benevolent blind eye effect. Provision of stacked resource support for innovators who want to take an idea forward effectively. Different levels of internal venture capital for which people can be engaged increasingly high hurdles. This encourages entrepreneurship, internal entrepreneurial behavior rather than people feeling they have to leave the fun to take their good ideas forward. This is a little bit important, so repeating it again. Setting stretch targets, allocating resources as slack, encouragement of bootlegging employees, working on innovation projects in their own time and often accessing resources in non-formal way. The benevolent blind eye effect. Provision of stacked resource support for innovators who want to take an idea forward. Like setting stage target will be like such X% of sales from the products introduced during past 5 years. Provides a clear and like this is a keyword. Jargons. You might have listened about jargons. Like here is a word jargon should be setting stretch targets, allocating resources as slack, This is important allocating resources like space and time in which staff can explore and play with ideas, build on chance events or combinations, etc. Encouragement of bootlegging employees, benevolent blind eye effect, and blind effect. Then is provision of stacked resource support for innovators who want to take an idea forward. Provision of stacked resource import for support for innovators who want to take an idea forward. Effectively, different levels of internal venture capital for which people can bid against increasingly high hurdles. This encourages entrepreneurship, internal entrepreneurial behavior, rather than people feeling they have to leave the firm to take the good idea forward. So this was so we've just completed like creativity, innovation, entrepreneurship. So in next class we would move a little like forward for this. Our new lecture would be on that topic. We start some little startups. So we will start that. Like so, please go through the lecture, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna, Shri Radhe Krishna, everyone. Shri Radhe Krishna, Shri Radhe Krishna, Shri Radhe Krishna, Shri Radhe Krishna, Shri Radhe.